Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can add and manage multi-level subtasks in ZOHO Project. This is a great way to break down complex tasks into manageable pieces and to give your team a clear roadmap to success. So let's get started. First, log into your ZOHO project and navigate to the task where you want to add subtasks. This is the starting point of breaking down your project activities into small, manageable tasks. Now that we've done that, click on the task and look for the Add Subtask button, usually located at the bottom of the task window. This is where we begin to segment our main task into smaller, more manageable units. Next up, type in the name of your subtask and hit Enter. You can add as many subtasks as you need here, and the reason we do this is to create a clear structure for the task at hand. Now, if you want to add another layer of subtasks, simply click on the newly created subtask and repeat the process. This helps us because it allows us to break down large tasks into the simplest possible steps, ensuring no detail is overlooked. Here's where it gets interesting. To manage these subtasks, click on the Manage Subtask button. You can then drag and drop to rearrange the order, set due dates, assign team members, and even track progress. Let me explain why this matters. It gives you full control over the workflow, makes it easy to delegate tasks, and ensures that everyone is on the same page. Remember, changes are saved automatically in ZOHO Project, so there's no need to worry about losing your progress. This is a neat feature of ZOHO that helps streamline project management. To wrap things up, adding and managing multi-level subtasks in ZOHO Project is a fantastic way to enhance your team's productivity and ensure no detail is overlooked in your project. It's simple, intuitive, and highly effective. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope that you found this guide useful for mastering multi-level subtasks in ZOHO Project. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.